Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabi, your favorite Yoruba tutor, and in this video, you are going to be learning essential phrases in Yoruba language. Those important phrases you need to know as a beginner learning Yoruba language. So let's dive into the lesson straight away. Yoruba appreciates respect. They appreciate respect. Very important for you to respect people while talking, while speaking to Yoruba people. It's very important. So let's start now. The first one is thank you. Eshe. Eshe, that's the polite way of saying thank you. Eshe, eshe. Then oshe, oshe. Say with me, oshe. That's the casual way. Oshe, eshe, oshe. Then we have I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ema binu. Ema binu. That's the polite way. Ema binu. Ema binu. Ema binu. The casual one you say ma binu. Ma binu. Ma binu. Ma binu. Má bínú. If you want to say how are you? How are you? How are you? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? That's the casual way. So if you want to say it in a polite way, then you say báwo ni sir? Báwo ni ma? You just add sir or ma to show respect. So báwo ni sir? Báwo ni ma? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? Ṣé ẹ wà pa? Hope you are good. Ṣé ẹ wà pa? Ṣé o wà pa? That's the casual way. Show wapa, hope you are good, hope you are fine. Show wapa. Okay, so the next one is stop. Stop. Stop in Yoruba means dúró. 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 If you want to say someone to stop, then you say dúró. Dúró. That's the casual way. If you want to say it in the polite way, you say ẹ dúró. Ẹ dúró. Dúró or ẹ dúró. And so if you want to say excuse me, ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́. That's the polite way. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Or you say jọ̀wọ́. 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 If you also want to say please in Yoruba language, that is also what you need to say. It's the same thing, but it can be used for different situations. So excuse me or please. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Jọ̀wọ́. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́. Jọ̀wọ́. Okay, so you want to say yes. Yes. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. 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 Then no. Rárá. 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 So if you want to show respect, not really necessary, but if you want to show respect, you can say rárá mà, rárá sà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mà, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà. Like I said, the next one is see you tomorrow. Kárìíra lọ́la. Kárìíra lọ́la. So kárìíra lọ́la. Kárìíra lọ́la. See you tomorrow. So if you want to say it in a polite way, you can just add ma or sa at the back. Kárìíra lọ́la mà. Kárìíra lọ́la sà. The next one is I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi ń pa mí. That's the casual way. Then if you want to say it in a polite way, you can say ebi ń pa mí mà. Ebi ń pa mí sà. Ebi ń pa mí mà. Ebi ń pa mí sà. Also, I'm thirsty. Okay, firstly, water is omi. 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 Food as well. Oúnjẹ. Oúnjẹ. So if you want to say I'm thirsty, òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí. Òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí. Òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí. Some also used to say ọ̀fun gbẹ mí. Ọ̀fun gbẹ mí. Ọ̀fun gbẹ mí. So you can either say òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí or ọ̀fun gbẹ mí or mo fẹ́ mu mi. I want to drink water. Mo fẹ́ mu mi. So òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí mà. Òǹgbẹ ń gbẹ mí sà. Ọ̀fun gbẹ mí mà. Ọ̀fun gbẹ mí sà. Mo fẹ́ mu mi mà. Mo fẹ́ mu mi sà. I hope this video really helps you in your Yoruba language learning journey. So if it does, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you want to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and then turn on your notifications to get the video updates. Bye bye. I love you.